Want to register as a Meesho supplier? Signing up with our Supplier Hub has never been easier. Start by visiting supplier.meesho.com and then click on Start Selling. This will take you to a self-service platform where in 5 steps you will be ready to start supplying with Meesho. Step 1. You will be prompted to enter your mobile number. Once done, click on Send OTP button to start the verification process. Enter the 6-digit one-time password that you receive on your phone and then provide your email ID and set a new password. The password you choose should be a minimum of 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. You can choose to use your personal or business email ID here. When you are done entering the details, click on Create Account. We are 2 steps down already. Easy, right? Just a couple more to go. Let's move on to the finer details now. Step 2. You will be prompted to provide your GSTIN number. As per government regulations, GSTIN is a mandatory document to sell on e-commerce platforms. If you don't have a GST number, check our Frequently Asked Questions tab for more details. Once you enter your GSTIN number, click on the Verify button to move forward. Double-click your details and once verified, click on Continue to proceed. Step 3. The next section will require you to fill your pickup address. Once you register as a Meesho supplier, all products will be picked up by Meesho certified delivery partners from the pickup location and delivered directly to the customer. So make sure you put in the right details. Please note that the pickup state you enter must match with the state on GSTIN. Step 4. Following confirmation, provide the number of your bank account. Remember, we can only transfer payments to accounts that are in the registered business name mentioned on the GSTIN. If you don't have one already, we recommend you to create a new account in the name of your registered business. Use the Find IFSC code option in case you need help for searching for the IFSC code for your bank. Continue by entering your bank name and branch location details. Once you enter your bank details, click on the Verify button to move forward. Double-check your details and once verified, click on Continue to proceed. In some cases, we might ask you to upload your cancelled check or front page of the bank passbook. Please upload a copy on which the beneficiary name is clearly visible. Step 5. The final step of this process will need you to enter your full name and the name of your store. Your selected store name will be visible on the Meesho reseller app with your listed products. Make sure you comply with Meesho terms and conditions by marking I agree on this checkbox. Once done, you will have successfully registered as a supplier with us and will be redirected to our supplier panel where you will be prompted to upload your catalogs to start getting orders. You can choose to add catalogs in bulk or even add single catalog in the option to upload your listings. That's all. Thanks for wanting to register on the Meesho platform. We are excited to have you on board as a supplier. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel